If you want to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to go to more connectivity options, and over here at the top you will find portable hotspot. If you go to that option, if you open it, and if you enable the portable hotspot for the first time, then the next time, once you want to go to the portable hotspot, you will be able to find it in the main menu of the settings. So the next time, once you want to go to the hotspot options, you will just find it in the settings. Now, so you can tap on this switcher in order to quickly turn on and off the portable hotspot. And if you want to set it up, then of course we have this option, set up portable hotspot over here. So let's open it. And here we have our password. We can tap on this eye icon in order to reveal it. We can also tap on the password in order to change it, so you can customize it and set up your own password. We also have additional options over here. We have the name of our network, so you can change it as well. And once you are done with the changes, simply tap on this check in the top right corner. Then hotspot will restart and the new password and all these changes will be set up. And that is pretty much it in terms of setting up the hotspot. In the future, if you want to quickly turn on and off the mobile hotspot, what you can also do is go to the control center. So swipe on the right side of your phone from the top towards the bottom. And then over here, you might be able to find a button, a shortcut for the hotspot. However, if it's not here, then what you need to do is go to the edit. So at the bottom, you will find edit option. And now here, we should be able to find the hotspot button in system toggles, so you can simply just tap on this button in order to add it to the list. Of course, you can press and hold and then drag it somewhere else if you wish to change its position, and then tap on this check in the top right corner. And then with this simple button over here in the control center, you can also enable and disable hotspot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!